thanks for watching today. I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY for you. It's going to be a tag sign that you can hang up in your entryway or wherever you'd like. It's going to be super cute for Valentine's Day. So first you're going to remove that bow on the front so that it lays flat. Then you're going to flip it over. I did this because I wasn't sure if maybe sometime I would want to use the front of this because I really like the truck. But I think that I wanted more of a shiplap look. So I'm going to start by painting the back of it white. And I'm going to go horizontally, well, vertically, as you can see, so that it looks like more like shiplap and wood. So my Dollar Tree didn't have two of these tags, so I improvised and used a foam board that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just cut exactly the same size as the first one. I decided to paint the second tag a pink color. It's more of a peachy pink, but you can choose whatever color you'd like. I'm taking a pencil to begin with and using my ruler to make some shiplap looking lines, and then I will go over that with Sharpie. So I'm using my Cricut just because I have it to write the words on the front. You can make a stencil, use a stencil, or you could even hand write it. You could print it off and trace it. Do whatever is easier for you. I just found the Cricut easier for me. Now for the weeding. This is probably the most tedious part, but it's gotta be done. I thought Hello Love was super cute for Valentine's Day. I was thinking of doing Welcome Love, but I think the Hello was cute. I'm just using some of the Dollar Tree clear shelf liner as my transfer tape. You can use regular transfer tape, but I didn't want to peel off any paint. I don't think it would peel, but just in case, I decided to do it this way. Now you'll just make a bow. I decided to do burlap, pink, and then black buffalo plaid. I thought those three went really well together, and it kind of ties in with the rest of the farmhouse feel in my home. Again, if you want a more detailed version of me making my bows, feel free to comment below and I will do that for you. Make sure to dovetail the ends of your ribbon. It just makes it look more put together and pretty. So I'm doing the second ribbon, the second bow with pink, and I did it just a little bit shorter, smaller than the burlap bow because it's going to go on top of it. The buffalo plaid will be even smaller. It's going to be smaller than the pink one, and then it's going to go right on top. I decided to leave this one more simple for the front so it all blends together. I felt like the pink tag needed a little bit more dimension, so I had some of these felt heart stickers from the Dollar Tree. They're in the Valentine's Day section. I'm just going to peel off the adhesive and stick them right on there in no sort of pattern, just kind of randomly on there. I wanted this to look super 3D, so I'm taking some of my black paint and I'm going to kind of distress it and then add a shadow between the two tags. Now you'll just add the bow. I just stuck it through the hole and made sure to go through both of the tags so that they stick together. And I don't think that I videoed this, but I did hot glue the two tags together so that they won't move around. Obviously it's going to be hanging on a wall, so they're going to dangle, so I made sure to just keep them sturdy. I originally liked the really long ribbon at the ends, but it kind of took over the whole sign, so I decided to cut them a little bit and then dovetail them. And then I'll use some hot glue to kind of pin them down so that they're not dangling in front of the words or completely over the hearts. So here's the finished product, and I'm absolutely in love. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.